guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am filming a different type of a video. I love watching self-care routines, and today I'm going to show you guys my self-care routine where I'm going to show you my hair and skincare routine at the same time, what I usually do when I have time. And this is my happy place. Like, I have all my essentials right over here. I take a rosemary oil always before shampooing my hair, which is the most important part, and I think this is my second bottle. It's like a hair fall remedy, and my hair literally feels very healthy at the same time. It comes in a dropper type of a packaging, so it's easier for me to massage it all over my face. I section it before oiling my hair, which helps me to apply the oil really well, section by section. Whenever you will section your hair before oiling, you will see the difference, how easy it will be. Now I'm going to take this wooden hair massager, and I'm just going to massage my hair really well. I'm going to massage my scalp, and it feels so good. I massage it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I just make a bun and keep the oil for at least 30 to 1 hour before shampooing, which is like literally very important. I don't keep it overnight, I just keep it for maybe 1 hour. Then I'm gonna do a face mask, and this is my favorite face mask from Beauty of Gisou, and this is a red bean mask. I think this is so good if you want to exfoliate your skin, if you want to clear out your pores, and if you want to make your skin a little bit more brighter. This Korean face mask works like magic. You have to keep it for at least 10 minutes and rinse it off with water. It feels like a clay mask, but it contains a creamy texture at the same time. So it's easy to apply, and I apply it all over my face. And this is literally what I do before my shower. I oil my hair and I apply a face mask. That's pretty much it. Now the first step that I do is shampoo my hair, and I use this Olaplex number 4C shampoo. This is actually a detoxifying, clarifying type of a shampoo, which I prefer if you have a lot of buildup and if you don't wash your hair daily. I don't wash my hair daily, and I oil before shampooing. So it's really important for me to apply a clarifying shampoo which will remove every single thing from my scalp. It deeply clean your scalp, and it's so good. Now, hair mask. I don't use hair conditioner. A hair mask does all the job for me, and I'm using this one from Gisou. This is the honey infused hair mask. This is actually my third time using this product, and I'm loving it so much. It makes your hair so smooth and soft, which is the best part. I keep it for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Till then, I wash my body really well with this L'Occitane shower oil wash. It's really good, non-drying for your skin. And after 10 to 15 minutes, I wash off my hair mask as well. You can see how, I don't think you can see over here, but my hair literally feels so soft. Now it's time for my post-wash hair care and skincare routine. Now I'm gonna show you what I do for my hair and what I do for my skin after my shower. I love this hairband, by the way. This is from Amazon. It's called the Cloud hairband, I think. Anyways, I use a toner pad always, and currently I'm using this one from Numbers. I think this is how you pronounce the brand name. It's the number 3 Radiance Glowing Toner Pad, which is absolutely beautiful. This is my favorite toner pad. It works really well, makes my skin glowy and brightening. I keep it for at least 15 minutes, and then I just rub it all over my face and neck. It's very soothing at the same time, and this is like my number one step that I do. Next, I'm using my Rhode glazing fluid peptide. It contains hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and all other plumping ingredients, which instantly makes your skin glowy, plumpy, and because it contains peptides, it's really going to soothe your skin barrier, which is amazing. Then for my moisturizer, I use this Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer. It contains hyaluronic acid, which is the best and should be your last step. Like, put hyaluronic acid to lock in all the moisturizer, all the serum and everything on your face, and it will work like magic. This is very affordable and I really love this product. My lips were feeling very dry, so I used this lip oil from Clarins. This contains a little bit of red color, which is pretty amazing. And now it's time for me to do my hair care. Now, the first step for my hair care routine, post wash hair care routine, I take some oil. I love using my Olaplex oil and a leave-in conditioner. And the best part is that if you mix your hair oil and a leave-in conditioner, your hair is going to be super smooth. Also, it will be really easy for you to brush your hair. So this is the first part that I do. I take my JVN air dry cream, and then I take my Olaplex oil and I mix both of them together. I apply it all over my hair. Now, very gently with a good quality hair brush, I brush my hair. I know my hair is wet and I should not brush my hair when it's wet, but trust me, if it gets dry, as I have very curly hair, my hair will get super frizzy and it will be really hard for me to brush. So I take a white brush, and like, the bristles are very wide and it's a very good quality brush, which is really important. And this is what my hair looks after I brushed my hair. Now I am going to use two different styling products just to bring that volume and that curliness back. I'm using this Weight Texture Spray and I'm just spraying it all over my roots just to bring a little bit of texture, just to bring a little bit of volume. Just spray it all over your hair and it smells so beautiful. Now I'm going to show you my most favorite curling mousse. This is from Not Your Mother's and this is like a foam, curling foam. This product can make your hair super curly, but over here I'm not going to make it super curly. I'm just going to scrunch it up to bring back the curliness. So this was my hair care and skincare routine. Of course, I change a lot of product, especially for my skincare routine. For my hair care routine, I stick with these few products only, but for my skincare routine, I definitely change some products. So this was my routine. And now it's time for my lovely show, and I'm watching Lovely Runner currently. I am so in love with this particular Korean drama. Comment down below which one is your favorite. I am a Korean drama watcher and I love watching Japanese anime, and these are the few things that makes me so happy. And for my self-care day, I have to take care of my mental health at the same time, and for that I love watching my K-dramas and my Japanese dramas and my animes, and also I cook. So this is a very delicious recipe I'm gonna show you guys. If you are watching till the end, I hope you guys will really enjoy this bonus recipe that I'm gonna show you. So first I boiled my chicken with some ginger, garlic and onion, and then I used some sesame oil. Then I added my veggies, whatever veggies that you have, and stir fry it really well with some garlic, and add in your sauce, some soya sauce, some chili sauce, and then your chicken. Stir it really well, cook it really well, and then add your chicken broth. And if you have a little bit of parsley, you can add that as well. Cook it really well and then add in your noodles. You can have the soup by itself, or if you want to add some noodles, if you want this recipe for your dinner, then you can add some noodles and one fried egg, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your self-care routine and what you guys love doing. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.